It's St. Patrick's Day, 2012. Awaiting a thunderstorm to come in from the southwest. Because currently at this time, the Raleigh-Durham ASOS is reporting nothing. But Timberlake, North Carolina's airport, which is about 3 miles from here, is reporting something. So we shall see. It's coming from the southwest right there. There are currently no watches warnings in effect. There's a special weather statement for this thunderstorm coming in, for a strong thunderstorm. Should this storm strengthen, we will know here pretty soon. Because it's been strengthening, it's been holding strong since 9 o'clock. So we'll see. So I hear a little bit of a crackle on the VHF band. Which is indicative of lightning in the area. So we'll see.